Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect DJI RC2 controller to Wi-Fi. So first what you're going to do is you need to turn on your DJI RC2 controller by pressing the power button once and then pressing and holding it the second time. Now that's turned on, what you need to do is swipe down twice from the very top of the screen to pull down the quick settings notification panel and press and hold the Wi-Fi icon just like so. Alright. Ensure the Wi-Fi toggle switch is turned on. So right here we will, on the right side, we will toggle it on like that. And then tap the name of the screen of the Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. Type the password that you are using on the screen and on the Wi-Fi, and just hit connect, and you will successfully connect with the network. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.